I'm making some banana nut bread. I'm not adding the over-ripened bananas this time. This does have some walnuts in it. I crushed a little bit more than what it comes as chopped walnuts and add it in. And I'm gonna mix the water in. Oh, milk. Okay. Half cup of milk each pack. I figure I'll take 2 packs to fill one of these bread tins up. So I'll add a whole cup of milk then. Okay, I got 1 cup of milk here. Just going to whisk that in. Might add a little bit more crushed walnut. Let's take the chopped walnut here and smash it a little and put it in there. And I got the tin sprayed with cooking spray, vegetable oil cooking spray. Actually, I think that's good enough. Just that little bit extra, because it comes with some in the batter. I'm just gonna pour a little over the top. Maybe like halfway through baking it, I'll add some to the top. That's a little smaller. Maybe like I'll try to smash this some more. Smaller pieces and just add some on the top. I'll show you how much this equals. This video, I might have to make it 2 parts because my phone's not wanting to record super long videos. Got too many pictures in it. And you want about half full for the whole pan, for it to fill up to the top of the pan. Takes about 2 packs with these tins. Okay, I got the oven on 400. Preheating. I got the rest of the batter under there. It says 14 to 16 minutes. Last time with the raw banana in just 1 pack, it took me like at least 25 minutes, I think. So it might take longer than what they say with the raw bananas in there. I'll look at it after 16 minutes. And about 10 minutes after it's been baking, I'll put some more walnuts just on the top. And then I'll look at it 6 minutes later. I've kind of smashed these down a little more, so they're more like chopped plus crushed a little bit. I think after about 10 minutes, this is about firm enough to put a little on top. So I can mess up the look of it, taking it out of the oven. Put it right back in after and then the top of there. And now that seems like it's good enough. Just want a little extra on there. And put it back in the oven another 5-6 minutes at least, maybe even longer. I'll pull it out once it looks more fuller and baked more on top. I started at 6:37, almost 7:02. It's 25 minutes. Takes a little longer if you're putting in a extra batch or the over-ripened bananas. Say I stick a toothpick in, if it pulls out, see it still needs more time. Pull it out with the batter still on it, it's wet. It's better knife work, so you use a toothpick. But I'll go another 5 minutes with it, I guess. Same temp, 400. Oops. Put that one off before it too. Get another 5 minutes at 400 with it. 702, so 707. I got 707. It's been 25 minutes. Let's